When doing research at the NACB eLibrary, we encourage students to use databases such as ProQuest Central and EBSCO Business Source. But oftentimes students want to use Google Scholar, which searches the internet for scholarly material. If you choose to do that, we encourage you to use the tool found on the eLibrary homepage. At the eLibrary homepage, under the Search Google Scholar tab, you'll find a search box. Here you can enter your search terms, click Search, and find scholarly content in Google Scholar. Let's search for health insurance and bankruptcy. The search results look similar to what you would see in Google Scholar outside of the eLibrary, but with additional links. On the left side, you'll see NACB full text. Clicking on this link will bring you into the full text article. If you were to do the same search outside the eLibrary, you will not see the NACB full text, and you will likely be taken to the publisher's page where they will charge you for access to the article. Using the Google search in the eLibrary helps you retrieve the full text content without any additional charges.